dream sequence, floating,
peaceful.
all is calm, all is...
Oh God! Oh God!
Oh God.
Deep in red rim, I was out of the game. Dreaming about nothing, just vibes, no name. Then my body said, nah, we done with that. Triggered the seismic gastrointestinal spat. Audible clap like a thunderous cue. Echoed off blankets like surround sound do. I woke up stunned like who fired that shot. Then realized,
Yeah, it was me a lot.
air turned hostile, visibility low. Olfactory system took a critical blow. It lingered, it grew, it had presence, weight. Like a boss fight cloud, I could literally taste.
No snooze button, no gentle tone.
Just chemical warfare from my own zone.
Circadian rhythm got hijacked fast
By the catastrophic might of my own biological alarm clock, loud and wrong. Woke me up with the stank so strong. Didn't need sunlight, didn't need sound. Just one rogue blast shook the whole room down. Biological alarm clock can't ignore
when your own body kicks in the door.
Rise and shine, no time to stall. When you crop dust yourself in the blanket wall. Yeah. Sat up quick like this cannot stay. Evacuate zone, clear the airspace, pray. Girlfriend sleeping blissfully unaware. Meanwhile I'm fighting for breathable air. Do I warn her? Do I just flee? Is this a crime scene tied to me? Sheets still warm, but the vibe is cursed. This is how legends wake up the worst. Stumbled out with a half-dead stare. Took one last breath, big mistake there. Regret setting on a molecular level. Like my gut just signed with the villainous devil. Why can I taste colors right now? This ain't gas, this a whole biography. Top notes, mid notes, tragedy.
No caffeine hit me quite this fast.
Like a wake-up call from my own past.
Metabolism chose violence today.
And I had nothing useful to say. Biological alarm clock, loud and wrong.
Woke me up with the stank so strong.
Didn't need sunlight, didn't need sound.
Just one rogue blast shook the whole room down.
Biological alarm clock,
No delay, force me up like start your day. Productivity through nasal assault.
Motivation by methane fall. Maybe life don't need a plan so tight.
Sometimes chaos kicks you into the light.
You wait for a purpose, you wait for a sign.
Mine came loud from the other end of the line.
not proud, but I can't deny.
That moment said,
Get up or die.
so I rose,
Reborn,
slightly,
ashamed,
but weirdly focused.
Oddly trained.
biological alarm clock, here I stand.
Awakened by forces I didn't plan.
No app, no watch, no gentle chime.
Just raw internal ungodly timing.
Biological alarm clock, cool but fair.
Drag me out by the nasal hair.
If this is how my day must start,
Then so be it. Respect the fart. Fresh air, new day. She's still asleep.
She don't know.
I should probably go check.
oh God.